Now let's see some USD pairs. So this one is US dollar to Japanese yen, and it's a daily chart. It has crossed the 200 moving average here. Here it failed to cross, and the sellers came into action, and we saw a great downward move. If we draw the trend line on this one, let's see where it goes. Okay, and this one is the support. It's currently ranging between these 2 points, this one and this one. We can see this is really choppy, so let's see what it makes. But I think it can come somewhere here to touch this, and then a fall, maybe choppiness. You can see something like that. The reason I don't like to trade in this kind of pair, because it's a range bound range between this point, between this and this, so it doesn't feel good to trade. Let's see what happens.